Hi there, my dear Aquarius friends. Welcome to M. Duran 888 channel. I'm gonna do your monthly reading for the month of December. It is timeless and a general reading, so it will not resonate to all Aquarius. Just take all the positive messages and energy that will resonate in your situation and leave the rest behind. So if you will like my reading, please don't forget to comment below, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you and namaste. Love and light, and let's start now. Okay. Thank you. Okay. My spirit guides, what are your messages for our dear Aquarius friends for the month of December? My spirit guides, what are your messages for our dear Aquarius friends for the month of December? My spirit guides, what are your messages for our dear Aquarius friends for the month of December? Okay, my dear Aquarius friends, I can feel um, a positive energy in here. Yes, for some of you, you will receive a recognition, a rewards, a promotion, a lot of positive opportunities that is coming into your life now. The only thing that I can feel it in here is your health. Yeah, I can see it in here that for some of you is having problems with the circulation in your legs. And then it is connected to your heart. Yeah. And for some of you is are suffering from experiencing shortness of breath or swollen legs and feeling like um, feeling like drowning once you are. Or so if you are a chain smoker, try to slow down now, okay? Especially if you are in your middle age and more than 50 and above, okay? But money wise, business success is there. Yeah, and you knew that. I can feel it in here that universe is working in your favor. Okay, that's why you are getting what you really want in life. Victory is yours for those who are dealing with disputes, legal issues, legal arguments, fights over for some of you I it just popped into my mind that I think you had disputes with your neighbors. Yes, yeah, and victory is yours. Okay, and as long as you are the one, you are on the right side, then victory, you will get it, you will be victorious. Okay, there is a prosperity in here, and for some of you, new beginning is on the horizon. Yeah, for some of you, you just you just bought a new car, a new pet, a new mobile. I think for some of you, you just had your new job, new workplace, new house, And then for some of you, just started a new business or a new project. So with this, your energy is really optimistic because there is still an excitement about this new beginning that happened in your life or going to happen in your life. Okay, you have here a secret admirer. Okay, this secret admirer is really just watching you, but he's hesitant to um, approach you because this is you are very intimidating. Okay, especially if you are a leader, yeah, in a company. Yes, one of your subordinate really admires you, and you are also surrounded with jealous people because, especially if you're a leader, some of the management colleague that you are working with is jealous of you because you are very intellectual, smart, my dear Aquarius friends. Okay, envy around you. Okay, let's go. Oh, let's see what's the bottom of the cards. Okay, I told you achievements. And then there is a secret admirer in here. The card is saying sometimes just do not be stubborn. Aquarius can be very stubborn. They knew that they are very intellectual and smart that sometimes make them stubborn. Okay, secret admirer is really strongly in here. There is an unexpected good luck, a sudden windfall, or for if you are still single and you just met someone, this someone you don't know is really rich with money. So there is a wealthy marriage in the card for some of you. Okay, my dear Aquarius friends, this is a beautiful card. Okay, all right. In here, um, okay, in the past, for some of you, you had misfortune. I think there is mismanagement of your finance in here, so you ended up experiencing a misfortune in your life, but you knew that it was just only temporary, and you have the ability to stand again and going to, um, let's say, you are going to get, you will rise again. Okay, rise from the ashes. And now that is really going to happen very soon. Okay, for some of you, you will be you're going to have a wealthy marriage in here. Yeah, and it's, I think this is a fire sign person that you are going to have a wealthy marriage with, a fire sign individual with money. Yeah, maybe this person owns a company. Oh, wow. Good luck with that, my dear um, Aquarius friends. And for some of you, for those who are business owners, your business will prosper. Money, money, money is coming into you. Okay, let's see. Oh, see, a favorable long-term proposition. Oh my God, it's money. Wow. Oh my God. Right. Oh, right. Okay. In general, the card shows positive. There's only two in here that is, and then this one. So I will explain. Okay. Past, your present, and your future. Okay. In the past, okay, you experience of unexpected good luck and a sudden windfall of money um, arrive in your lap. Okay, so you handle that money in a you build the business and is now uh, this business became successful. But for some of you who had lost the business and had financial loss, as I've said, do not worry, do not give up, because there is a better fortune that is coming into your life sudden. Okay, but I can feel it in here that you now put your past, your bad, big loss behind you. Okay, so now in here, let's go to the present. Okay, there is a favorable long-term preposition in here. There is love and happiness in here. And for those who just broke up with their first relationship, there is a second marriage in here. As I've said, you will be married to someone like a sugar daddy, older than you, sugar mommy, older than you. Or for some of you, those who are happily married, you will get money from your husband, maybe from your partner or your boyfriend, or maybe from your wife, like that. Just accept that one, because just they are just sharing the blessing, financial blessing to you. Okay, Ace of Diamonds. This is a money card. Beautiful, positive change, a good message about money. Okay, and then as I've said, you will get a ring for engagement, or for some of you, you will get a message for a new business, a letter of approval, or a letter of application for a new business. You are now getting more money, more money. But okay, the problem in here is you wanted um okay, so if you are going to have a business partner, okay, please control yourself not to have a forbidden love affair with your business partner, because it will just change your relationship with your business partner, because one of you is married. Okay, and this forbidden love affair is against your family, your friend, your relatives, or your work colleagues. Gossip is going to arise. Okay, the truth will be exposed, and it will just ruin your positivity. Okay, so please, or um for those who are single, then you are going to meet your soulmate in your workplace area. Okay, so you are going to, yeah. Mm-hmm. Okay, for those who, yes, it's in your workplace area. And for those who are on the sales area, then this your your sales business is going to prosper. Okay, but please, only that, do not um do not be involved with cheating. Yes, or a forbidden love affair, let's say, because it's strongly in here, a forbidden love affair. If you are a happily married or happily committed, please do not. Okay, in here, subconsciously, you are going to be victorious if you file a case, or if you file a complaint, or if you file a legal um issue about finances or in the job. You will you will get it. It will be resolved happily. In here, you will get married, you will receive a surprise gift, a good news, or someone is, maybe it's you who will get pregnant. There is a baby in here. Someone is going to deliver a baby in here. It's either you or one of your children, if you have children, it's in the family. Yeah, additional family member is yeah, is yes. There is an additional family member in here. Okay, as I've said in here, your influence, your inside of you, as I've said, please, this is a love, a forbidden love affair, a third party situation, love affair, forbidden love. Do not be involved, my dear Aquarius friends. Okay, please, 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 because I can see it in here, the final outcome. This Ace of Heart, look at that. The heart is reversed. So if you will continue with this temptation, okay, your final outcome is family issues, problems, troubles. Yeah, do not, please. If you're successful in your business career and you have a happy family life or happily committed with someone, please do not be involved. Temptation in here. There is a malicious gossips, external influence. There's a malicious gossip that is going to, yeah, disappointments. Yeah, because of this. This is a negative energy. Okay? Yeah, in every success in life of the individual, there's always a negative that is going to arise to test your strength. Please do not. If you think that this one will just ruin your success in life, do not. Okay? Because in here, as I've said, a lot of disappointments, opposition, because it's a forbidden love affair. Okay, and it will happen in your work area. Okay, do not, do not. In here, you are hoping to travel. You will travel, my dear Aquarius friends. You will travel. Yeah, there's a financial stability in here, and for some of you will receive a financial inheritance from your parents, from your yeah grandparents. Yeah, financial inheritance in here. Or for some of you, you might win a lotto. Okay, I'm not saying maybe it's a big amount but you will get money from the lotto if you're buying a lotto. It is four of diamonds, a financial upswing. So your future, um, I think you will host a party, a celebratory party, a celebration for your achievement, business success. Yes. Or you will be invited into a party, and this card as well, Eight of Hearts, is there is a good news that you are going to receive and you will be very happy. A good news. Okay? And or you will receive a gift of recognition award. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, let's see. Confirmation card for this. King of Hearts. This is an older person with a water sign energy. This person, maybe this will be your business partner, or maybe this is the one whom you will get married if you're a woman. With this one is with money. It is a Pisces, Cancerian, or a Scorpio. Yeah, person. Yeah, this one will really with money. Okay, for those who are at work and applied for a promotion, or for those who will receive an award or a recognition or a reward, this is the one. This is your boss who will give you the rewards, who will promote you, who will increase your money. This person was just watching you and really adore your hard work. Your hard work will pay off, my dear Aquarius friends. Okay, so let's go to the tarot cards for more messages that has in store for you for the month of December. Okay. Okay. My spirit guides, what are the messages for our dear Aquarius friends for the month of December? Okay, the bottom of the deck is Nine of Swords. Oh, for some of you, why you are having, all right, anxiety. It's a no card associated with Gemini energy aligned to, right, planet Mars, which is action and energy, and aligned to root chakra. Okay, for those who have, oh, okay, for those who had a past, a bad past life experience, okay, try to move on. Do not hold your past. Let go of your past. Remember that in this life, okay, there's always a renewal. Okay, you can be on the top or you can be at the bottom. So if you were at the bottom in your past life, try to go up. Try to go into the top. Okay, you have that courage and confidence, my dear Aquarius friends, remember. So please do not let yourself be affected with anxiety, with depression. Yes, yes, because you have the ability to be very successful, especially in business and in a leadership role. Okay, yes, that's for those who are still suffering from this anxiety. So please, for those who are on a healing period, okay, try to move on. And for those who are still holding the past, please, I am advising you to put your past behind, okay, because it's not yet the end of the world and it was just the test of life for you, okay. In the, oh, see, Nine of Pentacles, it's a yes card associated with the Virgo energy and aligned to planet Venus, which is love and pleasure, and aligned to root chakra. This is our independent wealth. For those who are entrepreneur, as I've said, there's a business success, money, 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 success, financial stability, security, prosperity, rewards through hard work. See, as I've said, for some of you, you will getting a reward, award, recognition, promotion, increased salary. Okay, and you are an intelligence. So this is a reversed Six of Pentacles, meaning, oh, for some of you, you are worrying about, for those who have financial difficulties, okay, you feel anxiety because of you are worrying now about your unpaid bills, money problems, bad debts, greediness, selfishness. But as I've said, use your intelligence instead of being tortured with anxiety and depression. Try to be smart again and try to think what is the best solution for that. There's a lot of solution, my dear, if you will just open your eyes and try to move on and deal with life. Okay, so do not give up. Do not stop believing, my dear Aquarius friends. Okay. Okay, let's see what are the angel messages for you, my dear Aquarius friends, for the month of December. Let's see. The bottom of the card is King of Fire. It's motivational, idealistic, ambitious, charismatic. Focus, focus, focus. See, focus on the thing that will help your financial problems. not to focus of your fear and anxiety. Okay, it's not yet the end of the world, my dear Aquarius, for those who are having this fear, anxiety, depression. Stop that. Okay, communicate with vision. See, and be a leader. Advice from someone creative. Ask or seek an advice from someone creative. If you are having financial difficulties, financial problems, then seek an advice from a financial advisor. Okay. 17, the star. This is your card. Major Arcana 17. Number 17, the star. Archangel Juphiel. This is an Aquarius Major Arcana card. Okay. Happy times. Make positive, optimistic long-term plans. You are now on the right path. If you had loss, you had a tragedy, you had a bad past life experience, then you were on the wrong path. Now you are on the right path. So start to step into and think what is your first step, what's to do. Okay? Let's see what is the animal spirit guides message for you, my dear Aquarius friends, for the month of December. Okay, let's see. The bottom of the cards is King of Autumn. Compassionate, accomplished, charismatic, grounded, gypsy runner horse. Everything's going to turn out great. Projects will be stunningly successful. Exciting new career opportunities are possible, and money or resources that come your way will be invested wisely. Wow, that's beautiful message for you. 10 of summer. It's a prairie dog. It's time to express your love and appreciation for family, be it relatives or a chosen family of close friends. Congratulations may be in order on a happy, fulfilling marriage, as well as raising happy, balanced children. Wow, you have that beautiful uh, messages for you. Okay, for those who are seeking an advice or message from the spirits regarding their job, career, or business, let's see what are your messages for our dear Aquarius friends for the month of December. Let's see, the bottom of the card is cutting ties. Okay. Yeah. You may need to leave your current position and look for something better. Ending a job doesn't mean burning bridges. Go with grace. Yes. I think it strongly came sudden into my mind that for some of you, you are dealing with wrong people. You are dealing with a wrong person in your life. So that gives you a negative energy that is pulling you down, giving you a bad luck. So that's why this card is saying cutting ties. Okay? So if you feel like as for some of you, if you are not happy in your current job, then try to look for a new one. Okay? For a change. Right? Passage. Your current situation is a means to an end. You are making the uncertain voyage to a new world. Enjoy the discoveries as you go. Okay, so now I know if for someone you lost your job, then you have this anxiety and thinking about this unpaid bills, so please, try to speak to a financial advisor what to do, okay, or seek an advice from your other family members if they can help you at the moment while you're still looking for a job, okay. You can do it. You can make it, my dear Aquarius friends. Okay, for those who have one question that are in their mind and seeking for a yes or no answer, then think about it now. Okay. Okay, if you like this reading, please don't forget to comment below, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Um wow, it's a yes card. Right for the picking, perfect timing, get ready. So as I've said, you are on your right path now. Okay. So do the step one. Okay. Oh, it's a no card. It says in here, yes and no, it's maybe. Your ideas are rejected, not satisfied with result. So, as I've said, I think if your idea is rejected, then try to get a new one. Okay. Try to think another one. Be creative. You are very creative and an intelligent, intellectual individual. So you can do it, my dear Aquarius friends. Okay, thank you so much. Good luck in your life journey. Love and light. Namaste.